it is a linear differential equation. Why do you call this as a linear differential equation? Because it has differential coefficients in first degree and dependent variables in first degree. These derivative terms are called as differential coefficients. All these derivative terms are called differential coefficients, and all these differential coefficients are in first degree. Suppose we have a differential equation in which dmy by dxm whole raised to n is written. In that case, this m number, this m is called as the order, and n is called as a degree. So whenever we are talking about differential equations, we always need to talk about order and degree. If n is equal to 1, in case of linear differential equations, n is equals to 1 always. If n equals to n, then it is called linear differential equation. In given question, the first term is nth order and degree 1, and the second term n minus 1 order degree 1, third term n minus 2 order and degree 1, and the last term, last but one term, first order and degree 1. Like this, in linear differential equation, you will always find degree equals to 1. If degree equals to 1, then it is called as a linear differential equation. In linear differential equations, you will find one more important thing, that is coefficients are constant. Here is a0, a1, a2, a minus 1, an, all these are coefficients, and these are nothing but numbers. These are nothing but constants. So a0, a1, a2 and so on, all a's are constants. So in linear differential equations, you will find coefficients are constant. In linear differential equations, derivative terms are not multiplied, such as dy by dx multiplied to dy by dx. This is not allowed in linear differential equation. Similarly, d3y by dx3 multiplied by dy by dx. This is also not allowed in linear differential equation. In linear differential equations, y terms not multiplied to derivative terms, that is y multiplied to dy by dx. This is not allowed. Y square multiplied to d2y by dx 2 not allowed. Y raised to 3 d4y by dx 4, this is not allowed. So in linear differential equations, y terms not multiplied to derivative terms. So now let us define what is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. The first part is linear differential equation contains differential coefficients of any order but degree 1, and derivative terms not multiplied to one another. Dependent variables not multiplied to one another, and dependent variables not multiplied to derivative terms, and coefficients a0, a1, etc. These are all coefficients, and these all coefficients are constants. So this type of differential equations are called as linear differential equations with constant coefficients.